Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap. I hope you had a great weekend and enjoyed a lot. So, coming to the first day of the trading after a long weekend, as expected, the week of the Labor Day is statistically one of the most boring trading weeks of the year. If you just want to stay away from the trading, then probably you can take this week off from the trading. It's up to you. If you want to stay away from the trading for 1 week, do it. Otherwise, if you just want to do some kind of trading activity every day like me, then obviously stay here. Okay, so just want to share some statistic for the Labor Day and the week, of this week is like over the past 70 years the stock market has on average gained um, 0.03 per day over the 4-day trading week. The good news is the 61% of those 70 years of Labor Day weeks have been bullish as well. Today I took a trade on IRNT, that's the ticker symbol, and the company name is IRNT So, and today's market sentiment was completely bearish. If you want to see what I mean by that, is just look at this chart. So IRNT was gapped up almost around like 150% or more than that, I'm not sure. But when I looked at it around like 8 a.m., it was kind of like showing some bearish movement. Okay, so I didn't take a trade on it when the market opens, and I was just waiting for like some kind of like a solid pattern that I can trade off. And one thing you need to remember, if if the stock market is bearish, or if you don't know if you couldn't pick the stock to take a trade on because of the uncertainty, or because you couldn't find any certain signal like bearish or bullish signal uh, by observing that stock's chart pattern, then it's better not to take trade on it. Or if you want to take a trade on it, do it on the basis of technical analysis. Stock market is unpredictable, and it becomes more unpredictable during this type of time period where there are only 4 days available after a long weekend for trading. So that being said, I can show you what exactly I mean here. So if you see here, this stock IRNT started trading downwards. Okay, seems like it lost momentum, but at this point it started gaining the momentum, but that momentum was not clear, it was not clean. It was choppy, but it was making some higher highs, and it was kind of like showing this kind of forming this ascending triangle bullish pattern. Okay, so this is a bullish pattern, and when I saw the volume coming in, I jump into the trade at 26.85 for 200 shares. And if you see here within this 4 or 5 candles, you can clearly see that the price action was not clean. It moved up high, then start consolidating for this 2 candle, then it moved high, then again dropped down, then move even higher, or made another higher high, and almost made high of the trading day around close to $30. Okay, I'm not considering this pre-market hour trading high because that high was around $37, so I'm not considering that. I'm just considering the high price of the stock during the trading hours, which is close to 29.50. Yeah, close to 29.50. Yeah, so if you clearly see why technical pattern is so important, or technical analysis of a stock is very important, as you can clearly see on this bullish triangle, ascending triangle bullish pattern broke at on this candle, then it made even higher high, then it didn't come back. At the end of the day, it is still it's consolidating around like $19 or something like that. So what you can do during if you are in this trade is, if you are in similar situation, is set your price target clearly. Don't wait or hope don't hold large amount of stocks just in hope that okay, it's showing momentum and it is making higher high, maybe it will go even higher. No, don't take that risk, that's too risky. And in that case you will end up losing a lot of money. So it's better to have a small green day than a big red day. Okay, so these are my trades. Okay, I bought, as I said, bought 200 at 26.8491, but let's round it up to 85. Sold all 200 at 27.35. Here is the profit of $100.18. So that's it for this video, guys. Please know that trading is risky and you will lose money if you don't know what you are doing, or if you don't have any particular strategy to trade with. And I would suggest learn a lot about trading, build your own strategy by trading in a simulator, and then put your real money on the line. Even after doing all those things, if you are not sure, just consult with a financial advisor before taking any trade. I am not licensed financial advisor to give you any kind of idea or guidance of how to trade. So that being said, thank you for watching this video and see you again in next recap. Bye.